preparing for Padmasana in Sirsana, that's lotus posture, which is when the legs are folded, lotus posture in headstand, Sirsana. So we'll all do it lying down first, just the Padmasana, and those who are menstruating can stay with the supine version of Padmasana. So you go into Padmasana and then lie down and suck the legs towards the pelvis and extend the knees away from you. I hold the feet because it stops the legs from slipping, but if you've got enough grip of the hips, then you'll be able to extend your arms along the floor behind you, and then you get this lovely releasing and lengthening in the abdomen. So over to you, and then I think I'd get them all to do this Matsyasana now, flat, and then I'd bring them back and say, okay, so now we're going to do in Sirsana. So you make a stable base. Ekapada, Parsva Ekapada, rotate the top leg out as well. Then with an exhalation, bring the leg to the top of the other thigh, and then bring the other one down. And if you need to, you can wiggle the foot. Then like we did on the floor, suck the hamstrings towards the pelvis, grip the outer thighs in, extend the knees to the ceiling, coccyx deep into the body. And now Parsva Sirsana, stabilizing the base, elbows down, forearms down, outer wrists down, exhale to turn. And center, lift up, coccyx in, and back to Sirsana. Okay, so everyone get onto their mats and go into Sirsana. So like that, I will share tomorrow. Your feedback's appreciated.